Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the crypto news of today. So we see the prices right now, a 3.5% increase in the last 24 hours. A lot of coins doing very big things. Obviously, if you go down the list, pretty much all green across the board. We see big things like Uniswap and Chainlink going about 15% of an increase in the last 24 hours. EOS going up about 18 to 19% increase. There's just so many good coins doing good things right now, but let's take a quick look at some of the crypto news today. So we have a lot of good news to cover, and do remember, guys, to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you guys want to continue to get this good information every single day. We do an episode every single day to keep you guys up to date with the most recent really information that could be considered FUD, or some information that could be considered bullish. So going through, we have the first one: cryptocurrency will be allowed in Nigeria. CBN's Godwin says so. Nigerians will be allowed to trade cryptocurrency according to the Central Bank of Nigeria governor. The central bank has banned cryptocurrency in use in Nigeria after a boom in digital currency transactions. And they also said that cryptocurrency is used mostly for illegal activities, according to its investigation. So that's not really what you want to hear, because we've kind of debunked that previously. We've talked about the use cases for it, but we'll move on. The next one, we have My Metaverse is now the world's most environmentally friendly gaming platform, despite using NFTs. So that's great to see this actually take place. Obviously, an engine project. We've talked about this in our previous engine video, but this is exactly what you would like to see as we continue to see cryptocurrencies and engines really make better cases for themselves. Jumping into the next one, BlackRock says it's steadying crypto but cites volatility. So the BlackRock chief executive Larry Fink said on Wednesday it is studying cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to determine whether the asset class could offer really cyclical benefits, and we'll see what they really end up coming out with. They just the fact that they're monitoring it or really studying the crypto, is definitely a good thing. That shows that more businesses are and have been monitoring the situation, and they want to buy in at a stable price, most likely, to make sure they believe in their investment. Jumping into the next one, Business Development Manager, they talk about the alternative payments. So this is on Apple Jobs, the store itself. They want to get alternative payments. What could this mean? Obviously, cryptocurrency is the dream, and a lot of people are suggesting that cryptocurrency is what we're going to see. They have key qualifications. If you deep dive into this, they talk about if we go down here we go. 5+ years experience working in or with alternative payment providers such as digital wallets, BNPL, fast payments, cryptocurrency, and etc. So obviously this is in the right path to Apple accepting crypto. That is a huge deal. Jumping all the way into the next one, Carl Icahn says he may invest over $1 billion into an alternative currency. So we'll see what he actually does with this. A lot of people excited to see these new investors have tons of money and just talking about investing in some big currencies. So jumping into another one, Crypto Couple tells court the IRS has no right to tax newly mined coins. So this is interesting as well. We'll see what takes place with this one. But basically, a couple reported the tokens as other income on their tax returns, resulting in a payment of $9,407 to the IRS, a refund of $3,293 paid in federal income tax, and $500 increase in tax credits resulting from a reduction in their income has been requested. So he stated that there was a 100 years of tax law, and we'll see what actually comes about this. But basically, one of the things is you can't tax an extension on property, and they count crypto as property in a way. So we'll see what happens. It's definitely a more legal situation than a lot of us are used to. We'll see what actually takes place. I'm curious on this. Obviously, if they're not going to tax newly mined coins and the couple wins, then we would see some major I would say gains for a lot of crypto people. So jumping into the next one, people in Hong Kong use the blockchain to fight against media censorship. This talks about really the decentralized nature of the blockchain is helping people in Hong Kong fight against a recent wave of censorship from major media outlets. We also have Ripple to go public after this SEC lawsuit, confirms CEO. So speaking at Consensus 2021, Brad confirmed that Ripple still plans to go public after the lawsuit against the SEC. We also see Colorado wants to be the first state to accept crypto for taxes. We talked about this in the last episode of Crypto News, but I did want to bring it up again because it was pretty important. We have more and more people trying to get really crypto wants to accept crypto for taxes. They want to be able to, pay in crypto. That'd be very, very cool. It's exactly what we would like to see, more adoption, more, really use cases for crypto in general as more and more people are adopting. The biggest one of today is going to be PayPal to begin allowing Bitcoin withdrawals. So, Venmo and PayPal users will be able to soon send each other crypto or send it elsewhere outside of the apps. In an announcement during CoinDesk Consensus Conference on Wednesday, PayPal's head of cryptocurrency, Jose Fernandez de Point, said that the company will soon be letting its users send Bitcoin and other cryptos out of PayPal. That is exactly what we want to see as well. So you actually own your currency. It's not doing what we've talked about Robinhood. Robinhood, you don't actually own that crypto. You basically, I don't even know how to explain it, but you basically don't own the crypto. Here you have, PayPal and Venmo. They're going to actually give you the crypto in a way because you're able to send it out whenever you'd like. So Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin says long-awaited shift to proof of stake could solve environment woes. So we also see our mission to make business better is fueled by reader. Okay, well, that's not what I was looking for. But proof of stake is a solution to really of Bitcoin, which needs far less resources to maintain, Buterin said at this, HK virtual festival in Hong Kong. So it's great to see this stuff take place. Like I said, proof of stake versus proof of work, you're going to continue to see that really played out. But let's jump into the last ones because this one's very interesting. This is our last article of today. It talks about NVIDIA reports record earnings, claims it's hard to determine impact of crypto miners. Well, I'll tell you right now, it's definitely the crypto miners. If we haven't noticed, pretty much everything, went up in price according to, NVIDIA parts. If you actually tried to get any NVIDIA parts, you're going to see that their rise in price was insane. Everything's always sold out. And that's, directly because of crypto mining. So it's crazy to think, despite the surging crypto market rally, NVIDIA believes its record first quarter sale or earnings are the result of high demand from the gaming industry. That's just not the case, unfortunately. But, it's crazy to see, NVIDIA, they should probably start taking advantage of the crypto verse itself to start taking advantage of these miners by, there's probably a bunch of different things that they could be doing. But I will say, guys, realistically, NVIDIA, big record earnings because of, mining as well as obviously their original user base of gaming. So it's great to see them doing well as, they'll, I'm sure, continue to put out some great products. As we jump back to our price list, I want to take a look at some of these prices because we talked about some of the big things taking place, but we have Bitcoin back above 40,000. That's exactly what we want to see. This is showing us, the fact that we're above 40,000 already. A lot of people were expecting a very long accumulation phase around 35 to 37,000. That's exactly what we have not gotten. We got a big push up to about $40,440 already. If you take a look at the last week alone, we went down to 31,000. If you actually take a look at the last month, you can see we went down to basically 30,000. We actually went under, I believe, and 40,000 above that price point again is exactly what we want to see. We're on the right track. A lot of people are very, very excited about that. Jumping into some of these other prices, Ethereum is getting closer to 3K. Cardano is trying to push above $2. It's slowed down quite a bit. It's become a little bit more stable, which a lot of people don't like. Binance BNB is kind of pushing up there, so we're a little bit farther away from Cardano being a top 3 coin now. If you go down a little more, the Chainlink, the one that I've been talking about quite a bit, is at 34.83, so it's doing very, very well. That's one of my favorite coins. Like I said, I talk about it a ton on the channel, so if you guys want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency and altcoins, as well as all the news and information, as well as price predictions, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. Like I said, guys, a lot of coins doing different things and very, very good things for the most part. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate all the awesome support. I'll see you guys all in the next one.